Hello out there in this good old, great, absolutely happy and joyous and free world. This is the unknown prisoner. You know, we got into step 8 and everything like that, and we started making our list, and we started thinking about things that, that maybe that they hadn't came up for a while. But after this time goes on, and you're sobering up a little bit, and you're into the step 8, you're at a pretty good position where you can recollect and come up with a whole lot of different things that maybe at one time or the other you didn't think was necessary to make restitution or maybe even put them on the list. But that's the key is that we get to identify and take care of anything that gives us a twinge of remorse or guilt or anything like that. We want to put any situation on that list with step 8. So I think we've got to accomplish most of all the things that we need to do and how to do it and when to do it and where we do it. So we got to get it done. That's just the bottom line. Now I want to move into the step 9. The step 9 is that we now have everything that we are ready to do, and we take a good hard look at all the names and places and things and situations that we've needed to go take care of. So now we're at a position where that's what we're going to do. Now this right here is where the rubber meets the road. You're going to be able to take each case that you have written down, and you're going to go and you're going to approach and meet these people or these places or these situations face to face, and we're going to make a one-on-one restitution, as I used to use the word, or we're going to have enough faith that we can make good our wrongs that we have taken, that has happened in our past. So that is the necessary step that we have getting back into society and making this effort that we can clean our side of the street and make sure that we are doing what needs to be taken care of to stay sober one day at a time. And this is a difficult situation where you're really taking, the way you live your life and meeting all the different things that we don't want to deal with head on, and we're doing it in a way that was humble and beyond our own recollection, that we can, believe that it's possible that this would work for us. But lo and behold, this was the breaking point with me to be able to really get back into society and look people in the eye and have a understanding. Well, if you do something or hurt somebody or give somebody a situation where it's not turn out the best, you want to make amends to them, and you do it personally, and it means a whole world of really being able to say that I'm living a fruitful and a spiritual way of life, to understand that the truth of this step will set you free. So, I just wanted to tap into step 9. We'll get into more and more of it, but this is really where it is. We've talked about step 4, and we've done step 5, and now with our other human being. But now we have gone to door, to state to state, whatever, city to city, and we're going to seek these people out, and we're going to make amends to these people one-on-one. Now you're talking about, hey, this is the deal right here. This will really give you a heads up, and then you start doing it. Now, you might have some backlash at times going through this, but you are the one that's taking it and going forward with it. And you will, you have to just bite your teeth, bite your tongue, and take whatever comes down the road. Most time, they are very understanding and gracious if you, if you introduce yourself and what you're trying to accomplish in the whole picture of staying sober. Okay, listen. This is just a brief of over the 8th and 9th step, and we'll get back down into it and we'll dig a little deeper. I'll talk to y'all later. Right now, we were going out. I've been some guys wanted me to go kind of in a situation where and talk to them about the 9 steps so they could get to really the right way of approaching these people. So I'm over and out, really out. I've got to go do this, and that's what it's about, helping others. Take it out. We'll see you later.